Is joining us right here on the show. Mr. Datta, hi, welcome on board. Firstly, I'd like to know, IRDAI has proposed to increase premium rates for third-party insurance for cars and two-wheelers. What is the rationale here according to you, and how positive is this for insurance companies?
Hi. For IRDA, the whole purpose is to, look at the rate adequacy of the third-party premiums. This is the only tariff product which we have in our country. And what they do is basically look at the number of claims which are registered as third-party claims, and also look at the amounts which are paid as compensation by the court to these third-party, claimants. Basis that over a period of number of years, they look at an actuarial projection of these numbers and try to determine the rates for the same, and basis that they come out with third-party rates for each category of vehicle, be it a two-wheeler, private car or commercial vehicles. This exercise is carried out every year. Sometimes certain vehicle categories merit some decrease, sometimes they require increases.
Can you just tell us about the higher premium rates and how that can impact the growth numbers? More importantly, not growth numbers for the company, but for the underlying security for which you're actually giving your insurance.
So the higher premiums are for certain vehicle categories. They differ in percentages, so range from 5 to 15%, and depending on the the kind of claims impact these categories of vehicles have in terms of third-party claims, these increases are worked out. In terms of increase of premium, of course, it does mean that one-year premiums, yearly renewal premiums of these vehicle categories, will go up to a certain extent. But let me tell you that these increases are only for one-year renewal category. They're not for the long-term 3-year private car and the 5-year two-wheeler category, which is now started operating on a different set of rates.
Right. Just when we talk about the consumption demand, we've been speaking to a lot of auto companies and there has been some growth slowdown. Are you feeling that, the third-party insurance, overall sales, from a lag effect, can have an impact on the sales? Or, it really doesn't matter over a period of 2-3 quarters?
So there are two aspects to it. Obviously, new car vehicle third-party premiums are directly correlated to car, two-wheeler or commercial vehicle sales. So it just depends on the number of vehicles sold. But when it comes to the number of vehicles buying third-party insurance as a total category, which means even older vehicles renewing their insurance, there is mixed kind of renewal rates, different categories. Two-wheelers earlier, we used to have around 60-70% under uncovered vehicles. So that's been attempted to be sorted out through these 5-year kind of insurances. So if you take the entire category as a whole, the total park of vehicles, I think it does have an impact in the size of the premium. But overall, over 2-3 quarters, because the renewals and the new premiums counted together, shows growth premiums.
All right, Mr. Datta, great chatting with you. Thank you so much for helping us, understand this development better. Thank you so much.